Welcome to the demonstration of Kohlipe Travelers. First, we have to go to this URL project slash Kohlipe Travelers index PHP, and this is the index page. If we try to search with some dates, let's say we are trying to search with a date in April, so no boats available for the selected date, because for this date we have not provided any seat from the admin panel. So if we go to the admin panel slash admin, first we have to log in to the admin panel. The email and password currently is now admin and admin. So after going to the admin panel, we have let's allocate some boats first. I am selecting a day 22 March and a time, and I'm providing 40 seats there, and it has successfully allocated the seats for the day. So if I try to search now from front end side or with solution.net slash projects slash Kohlipe Travelers, if I try to search now from this pickup location and drop off location with the date I have provided from the admin panel, that was 22 March I believe. So I have found that boat, and now I can select that boat. First I am logged in currently. Let's log out first. I am logging again with test username and test password. So it has successfully redirected to the profile page of that user. Here I can change the profile image from here, choosing files. I am selecting another profile pic for this, and if I try to refresh this page, now I have successfully changed my profile picture. And if I try to search again from the for that day, I can select the boat I have provided for that day, and now it will redirect to the checkout page successfully, and I can proceed to payment. Currently we have set some validation, we have set some transaction ID and also some key value for every transaction from this point, because we have to secure the payment system. So now we have currently defaulted the payment system like this. If we proceed to payment for only test purpose, it will successfully redirect this to this picture page. But later on, if we get the gateway info, it will go to the gateway of the credit card site, and after successfully billing the payment, it will redirect the user to that page. So again, for some other searches, let's search for taxi. If we search for a date that is not provided from the admin panel, it will show us no taxi available for the selected date. So let's allocate some taxi. I am providing for 28 March, and the taxi number and the seats are 20. I'm setting taxi and allocated successfully. So if I search again, it should get the search from the database, and I can go to that page. For other security purpose, let's say the transaction ID is somehow, the user is malicious and is trying to change the transaction ID or something else to harm the payment process, let's say he tries something like this, and it will show invalid transaction, because if the transaction ID does not match that is that is randomly generated from the system, it will show invalid transaction. Even if a user tries to refresh the transaction page, it will show the transaction is invalid. Let's try again for that day again. I believe I have provided seats for taxi on that day. So if I go to this page again and I try to refresh this page, it will say invalid transaction, because user has landed to this page and transaction ID is generated. If a user tries to refresh this page, we find this some kind of spam and the transaction will be invalid. So for the user page, users can currently change profile picture and edit his profile information, provide phone numbers, and he can provide any new password, update his password, and he can he can change his email with correct format. So for the admin panel, you can see that the list of allocation, and you can see the allocation dates and then seats we have provided currently. And if you want to modify them, you have to go to edit and delete allocation page, and here you can modify any date going to the edit page, and you can modify seats for that date. Like I can reduce some seats here. I can set to 25 and save allocation. So it is successfully edited the allocation for this for that particular day. So I think if we get the gateway information, and if you can suggest us some other modification for the admin panel, we can modify like so, and we can continue on developing other things here. Currently I try to log out from the dashboard, so I click on logout page. So it is logged out successfully, and if a user logs out, he also goes to the index page. So let us know the modification we need further. I'm looking forward to get your response. Thank you.